Oh, it's a really nice day out.
Yeah, are you from around here?
No, I literally just moved here. So,
oh, no way.
Yeah, I don't have any friends.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
God.
Is there anything fun to do around here?
Yeah, there's so much to do that's around here. Do you like tacos?
Are you serious? I love tacos.
No way.
Yeah, I literally want to, I'm trying to find a new Taco Tuesday spot.
Oh, there's a perfect spot right up the street from where I live. It's great.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
by you?
Yeah.
Oh, I would love to just meet somebody or meet a friend or maybe even go on a date or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
you never know. Honestly, you never know.
Perfect spot for that.
Yeah. So, are you this is kind of weird, and I know it's we're in an Uber, but would you be down to go out or go on a little, we could call it a date. We don't have to, but go get tacos or something?
Oh, that's so cute. You remind me of my little brother.
What?
You remind me of my little brother. He hasn't had any first kiss or anything with any girl, and it's just so cute.
I've had a first kiss. What do you mean?
Oh, I don't know. That was so sweet.
You don't want to go on a date with me?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I thought you were literally just saying there's a Taco Tuesday spot. I thought you were saying you wanted to go out.
Oh, not directly. I'm sorry.
Am I not your type?
No, not exactly.
Well, who are you into?
More like the biker gangs with full tattoos. And do you know any biker gangs?
Tattoos?
Yeah.
I don't have any tattoos.
Well, I'm sorry. Not really my type.
So you would only be into me if I had a tattoo?
Pretty much. I'm sorry.
I could go get a temporary tattoo for the date.
That's not the same.
You know what? All girls are the same. They're all nice to you, and then the second you want to ask them out, shoot your shot, they all just deny you. So
No.
I'm never gonna find love, and
No, don't say that. You gotta go to a bookstore or something and join a book club, and you'll really meet someone that way.
at a book club?
Yeah.
Literally only old ladies go there.
No, I know a lot of people that have met their person.
I guess I'll just be single forever.